Understanding dynamic programming.
Dynamic programming is a problem-solving technique used in coding to make complex problems simpler. It works by breaking a problem into smaller parts, solving each part just once, and saving those solutions. This helps developers avoid repeating the same calculations, making programs faster and more efficient.
When is dynamic programming used?
Dynamic programming is especially useful for problems that can be divided into overlapping subproblems. Classic examples include tasks like calculating Fibonacci numbers, finding shortest paths, or solving the knapsack problem. If you notice repeating patterns or calculations in a solution, dynamic programming may be the right approach.
Key ideas, overlapping subproblems, and optimal substructure.
Two main ideas make dynamic programming powerful: overlapping subproblems and optimal substructure. Overlapping subproblems means the same smaller problems are solved multiple times. Optimal substructure means a problem solution can be built from solutions to its subproblems. These features allow code to reuse previous answers and build efficient solutions.
How dynamic programming works.
Instead of solving the same problem again and again, dynamic programming saves each answer in a table or array. This is called memoization when done recursively, or tabulation when built up with loops. Both methods help avoid unnecessary work, making programs run much faster and use less memory.
Why learn dynamic programming?
Dynamic programming is a valuable tool for anyone learning to code. It teaches you to think about problems methodically, organize solutions efficiently, and optimize your code. Many coding interviews and real-world applications use these concepts, making it an essential skill for programmers of all levels.